Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this hangable skull decoration. First, make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it. For round 2, increase in each stitch. For round 3, do 1 single crochet and an increase and repeat that all the way around. For round 4, do 2 single crochets and an increase and repeat that all the way around. For round 5, do 3 single crochets and an increase and repeat that all the way around. For rounds 6 to 11, single crochet all the way around. For round 12, do 6 decreases and then single crochet in the last 18 stitches. For rounds 13 to 15, single crochet all the way around. For round 16, do 2 single crochets and a decrease, and repeat that all the way around. For round 17, do 1 single crochet and a decrease, and repeat that all the way around. For the last round, decrease all the way around, then finish off and weave in the tail. For the eyes, chain 2, and in the first stitch do 2 single crochets, 2 half double crochets, 2 more single crochets, then slip stitch into the first stitch, finish off and make a second eye. Next, embroider on the mouth and nose. Lastly, to hang it, add a piece of yarn through the top of the skull and tie it in a knot. And there's your finished skull decoration. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!